Good afternoon, meteorologist Jesse Kelly here. Hope everyone's having a fantastic Saturday. We're still stuck with these same clouds throughout all the ArkLaTex this afternoon, which is keeping temperatures for many of us into the 40s, seeing a few lower 50s towards the south. But we have a warm front currently towards the south that will eventually make its way towards the north over the next couple of hours. We'll explain more about that in just a second. Pinpoint Doppler is showing you not much is happening right now, although there is rain well off towards the west. We will see rain increasing in the next couple of hours. So again, temperatures are ranging from the 40s towards the north. We're looking at 50 degrees now here in Shreveport, 52 degrees in center, 54 currently into Mount Pleasant. So what's going on is, as we have our next disturbance that's currently over Southern California, as it continues to dig towards the south, it's tilting the upper level winds to more out of the southwest or the upper parts of the atmosphere. This is sending a lot of moisture from the Pacific Ocean our way, so combine that with the Gulf of Mexico moisture. And the system is also beginning to pull the cold front that we did see on Wednesday and Thursday. It's going to eventually move that back towards the north as a warm front tonight and also into Sunday. So we'll see temperatures remain steady for tonight, eventually rise after midnight, and we'll see those rising temperatures continue as we head towards your Sunday. And there's a chance we could see a few strong to severe thunderstorms, especially along the north of Interstate 30. We talked about on yesterday. The outlook showed no slight risk in place, but now they have reapplied that slight risk and marginal risk across the northern parts of the ArkLaTex. And the main concerns I told you yesterday will be large hail and some damaging winds. Tornado threat is looking rather low. It's not zero, but again, the threat for that is looking pretty low. Let's walk you through your forecast. So Robin's Toyota Futurecast shows temperatures tonight again holding steady into the 40s. Again, they may begin to rise some tonight into your Sunday morning, as we will see a few rain showers around. Not expecting anything severe. We just see a few rain showers on that warm front. And that will continue to expand more towards the north throughout the morning and even to the afternoon hours. Now, we will see a first period of a few thunderstorms by Sunday afternoon and Sunday early evening that could potentially produce some large hail along the north of Interstate 30, closer to that warm front. We'll see temperatures for Sunday evening for many of us along the south of Interstate 20 into the 60s. Still looking at a few 50s towards the north because the warm air hasn't gotten there yet. Although we'll see more of that unstable air reach the Interstate 30 corridor by Sunday evening into the overnight hours. Now we will see that cold front begin to work its way into the area. We'll also see temperatures for Monday morning very warm, lower to middle 60s, lots of juice in the atmosphere. That cold front will be off towards the west near DFW, and again, some thunderstorms on that squall line could produce some large hail, even seeing some damaging winds. We'll see a squall line begin to work its way across the northern and the western parts of the area. Sometime around sunrise, they'll move through Shreveport Bossier a little bit after 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. They'll slide through the eastern parts of the area around the noon hour. We will see decreasing skies with a very breezy southwest wind in place. We will see temperatures get pretty warm by the afternoon. It's quite possible that some of us could see highs into the middle 70s, but once the colder air arrives, we will see temperatures dropping down to the 40s as we wake up for you Tuesday morning. And so rainfall amounts between now and Monday evening, showing that we could see about an inch of rain or so, maybe a little bit more than that, especially towards north of Interstate 30. We'll see generally about a half an inch of rain for everyone else along the south of Interstate 20. So here's a look at one of the severe weather parameters we have on Futurecast, showing you where we could see potentially some hail, showing you that the greatest opportunity for seeing some hail will be along the north of Interstate 30 as we go towards Sunday evening. And we're going to see another round of potentially seeing some more hail as we go into the overnight hours into your Monday morning. That's along the squall line, along that cold front that will move through the area. So again, we will see 2 rounds of potentially seeing some severe weather. Best chance of seeing severe weather will be across the northern parts of the ArkLaTex, closer to the dynamics for the system. You can see the upper low will move through Oklahoma and Kansas. So again, areas along the north of Interstate 30 will be closer to the dynamics. That's why we're expecting the higher chance for severe weather in those areas, in those locations, That moves off towards the east. We will dry out for Tuesday. We could see a little bit more rain for Wednesday, depending on how much moisture is around. That moves off towards the east. Thursday and Friday looking pretty nice, looking at lots of sunshine. Although we may see more rain on the increase as we head towards your Saturday or Sunday. Now, this model here shows we could see rain on the increase for Sunday. Other models show that rain coming through on Saturday, so still lots of uncertainty on the timing of that weekend system. That moves off towards the east and may see a little bit more potentially as we go into next week with another disturbance moving into Oregon and California. So here's a look at your next 7 days, showing you highs for the most part above average for this time of the year. We'll see those daytime highs into the 60s and 70s, cooling down to the 50s for Thursday. Nighttime lows ranging from the 30s and 40s, with the warmest night coming on Monday morning, with temperatures by then into the lower 60s. So again, looking at a good opportunity for thunderstorms around for Sunday and Monday, where a few thunderstorms could become strong to severe, especially along the north of Interstate 30.